going on, everybody? Doyle here from Premier RV in Bluegrass, Iowa. Today we're going over the 2023 Keystone Arcadia Super Lite. This is the 288 SLBH. We'll do an interior walk, an exterior walk, and then we'll break down specs and construction. Let's get into it. Right when you walk in, you notice how elegant yet functional this unit is. Roman shades throughout give you that beautiful, luxurious feel, but also give you the privacy and darkness you are looking for. Residential vinyl flooring throughout makes it kid and pet friendly. 15,000 BTU roof-mounted Coleman Mac AC. Make sure you're always cool and comfortable in any weather condition. Right at the front, spot down here to put your shoes. Just a little thing, but it's convenient and keeps your shoes out of the way and no one's going to trip on them. Four coat hangers. Put your coat. You got a seat with storage below and above. Starting at the back with the bunkhouse. 48-inch by 76-inch bunks with 300-pound max capacity. Can comfortably sleep 2 people on each, and also has some storage on the side. Reclining theater seats. They're heating and vibrating and have a USB port on each side, as well as a spot in the middle. Put your phone on and have a charge. Faces the entertainment center with a 5,000 BTU fireplace, Furrion soundbar, and a 40-inch flat screen TV with storage up above. Awesome thing about this, you open it up and you've got a walk-in pantry. Tons of spot for all your food. Motion activated sensor light. It's convenient and out of the way. Into the kitchen. Beautiful white hardwood cabinet doors and drawer faces throughout. Tons of storage. 2-door, 12-volt, 10 cubic foot fridge. "21-inch oven. 3-burner cooktop. And a microwave. Stainless steel sink, the high-rise faucet, and sink covers. No dinette, but instead a freestanding table with 4 chairs. Awesome thing about this is that it's legless, so when you walk in, you're not going to have to duck under some legs. You just slide your feet right in. Tons more space. Can actually comfortably seat 4 people. Heading up the stairs, taking a left into the bathroom. Shower with a glass door and a skylight. Shower is 48 inches by 30 inches. Porcelain toilet, foot flush. Storage on the side. Medicine cabinet. With your sink and more storage below. Heading into the bedroom. "60-inch by 80-inch queen bed. Overhead storage above. An outlet on each side, and right in the middle, 2 USB charging ports. Storage on the side as well. Tons of space. Space for a TV, and more storage down below. Right here is your control panel. Controls your water, your tanks, all your lights, your awning, your slides, thermostat down here, and water heater controls, and spot to charge your lithium batteries. When it gets below 20 degrees, you just flip that switch on and it heats them up. Let's take a look outside. On the outside, 20-inch electronic power awning. Right under that, you see 2 outdoor speakers, dual axle 15-inch tires, solid adjustable steps, space for an outdoor TV, and an outdoor kitchen with a griddle and a mini fridge. Perfect for the summertime when you're having cookouts, maybe 4th of July. You got your outdoor kitchen and you got space for a TV to watch any games. Pass-through storage with tons of space. Also has lights under there, so in the nighttime you can see all your stuff, know what you're grabbing. Magnetic slam latch baggage doors. And on each side, 30-pound LP tanks, one on each side for a total of 60 pounds of LP. Front storage, spare tire, battery disconnect, and your solar charge controller that controls your 200-watt solar panel on the roof. Convenience center with your black tank and your gray tank. Key TV multi-source signal controller, and your electronic leveling controls. And your electronic leveling jacks. Perfect so you don't have to sit there and crank away on the manual ones. And if that pass-through storage was not enough, even more on the back side. Tons of storage on this unit. 2-inch accessory hitch, perfect for towing boats or anything else. Prepped and ready for a backup camera up top. And a ladder, which takes you up onto the fully walkable roof, where you see the 200-watt solar panel. This unit has an unloaded vehicle weight of 8,795 pounds, a cargo carrying capacity of 2,205 pounds, in total for a gross vehicle weight rating of 11,000 pounds. It's 32 feet 8 inches long and 12 feet 6 inches tall. It comes with an Alpha Ply roof membrane with a limited lifetime warranty. Alpha Ply is specifically engineered to provide its premium performance and flexibility. It's a single ply membrane that is approximately half the weight of EPDM and PVC, and it won't chalk or fade, has great UV performance, and is resistant to mold, algae, and fungus. This model has a 5-sided aluminum superstructure with laminated sidewalls opposed to hung sidewalls. It's got a structural I-beam frame with stamped steel crossmembers and outriggers, meaning it's supported all the way edge to edge. It's got a HyperDeck high-performance, water-resistant RV floor, which is more resilient, stronger, and lighter than traditional laminated wood construction, and it resists water and water damage. You're going to save a ton of money not dealing with the problems associated with water and water damage. It has a peak weather performance protection package, which is tested to 0 degrees, has 35,000 BTUs of high output furnace, an electric fireplace with 5,100 BTU of heat, in total for 40,000 BTUs of heat. It's got fully enclosed insulated holding tanks with 12-volt pads and a reflective insulation in floor, roof, and the front wall, and heated pass-through storage. This means that you're going to be warm even when it's cold outside. It has a Girard tankless water heater, which allows owners that are hooked up to city water the luxury of endless hot water. You no longer have to turn the water on and off while showering. You can enjoy a warm shower without worry. It has a SolarFlex 200 package, which has a 200-watt solar panel on the roof, a solar charge controller, and 200 amp hour Dragonfly lithium batteries. Dragonfly batteries significantly outperform legacy lead-acid batteries with more than double the power in the same physical space, 100% depth of discharge, 5 times faster charging, and up to 10 times longer life, all at about roughly 1/5 of the weight. They have a steady discharge rate, meaning owners will get better performance from their solar package and avoid low voltage errors. It comes with Blade Pure 15,000 BTU ducted ultra quiet Coleman Mach Q Series AC with a residential filter, and in the bedroom the same thing but 13,500 BTU. It's got 20% more cooling power, plus air filtration and sound dampening. The filter removes contaminants and ensures that those suffering from asthma and allergies get to breathe easier. The Coleman Mach Q Series is the quietest AC in the industry, with a combined noise reduction of over 10 to 15 decibels over traditional ACs with that filtration. It's got the Curt Performance Package. It has a Curt ARV hitch pin, special rubber grommets in the Curt ARV kingpin reduces vibration by 50%. It's got extra thick half-inch shackle links. Every turn on the road, it's going to place stress on those shackle links. These are double the standard thickness to provide extra strength. It's got bronze brushings and a wet 6-point bolt kit, which allows lubrication to extend the life of the suspension pivot points, as do the bronze brushings. Reinforced and gusseted bracket attachments, an Equiflex rubberized equalizer system to absorb road shock and reduce chucking. This overall provides a better towing experience and a smoother ride. This model also has a 3-year limited structure warranty and a 1-year limited base warranty. This model is perfect if you're looking for a lighter weight fifth wheel, but you still want something that's luxurious. It's also perfect if you're looking for a bunkhouse for the kids, or if you just want that extra storage in the back. We currently have this one around 35% off MSRP, so come check out our website, premierrv.com, or come check us out in person in Bluegrass, Iowa. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you next time.